Interest rates are down, and so is the gauntlet in the housing market. Real estate expert Rick Sadle with Keller Williams Realty and SadleRealEstate.com is with us. Good morning, Rick.
Hey, good morning.
As expected, the Fed took action last week, as you know, and a lot of people know. They lowered the benchmark short term interest rate. So we're asking you the mood of the Portland, Salem, and Southwest Washington housing market as we start this week.
Yeah, thank goodness. It's been a long time coming, right? After raising the federal funds rate to between five and a quarter and five and a half between March of 22 and July of 23, which is the fastest rate in decades. At the same time, mortgage rates went up to near 8% at their highest. Now, like you said, they finally dropped the federal funds rate. As a matter of fact, while most people expected them to drop it by a quarter percent, they ended up dropping it by 0.5%, which has created quite the stir in our market, right? Our office has been inundated with questions about mortgage rates. At the same time, we've been getting more and more offers on our listings that are already on the market. Activity is definitely up since they made the announcement and in the week or so before it.
Okay. We know that lower rates sometimes actually get washed out by higher sales prices. Are you seeing that happen already, or are you seeing any knee jerk effects with median prices?
I mean, you're correct. Oftentimes, when interest rates go down, prices do go up. That's because as interest rates go down, obviously it makes homes more affordable, and that in turn increases demand. And since we already have a constricted supply of homes we have for the past, I don't know, 15 years, that can make prices go up. Now, that being said, we haven't really seen it just yet. It'll take a little time, especially as mortgage rates continue to trickle down, for prices to go up.
So even if a buyer or seller, for that matter, is not really saving a ton of money, by acting because of the interest rates, do consumers sometimes feel better if they are slightly ahead of the competition, or at least believe they are?
Yeah, I mean, let's face it, like we all want to keep up with the Joneses. In fact, it's even better if we're ahead of them, right? The good news is prices haven't gone up yet and interest rates are down. So it does make it a great time for both buyers and sellers to take action, and they are.
Any other thoughts, Rick, about this move and looking forward to the rest of the year, about interest rates and mortgage rates in the housing market locally?
I, I mean, yeah, I say it all the time, and you only know that the market has turned either up or down when you look in the rearview mirror and it's a past event, right? And by then it's too late. And since there are strategies in all markets to get the best of all worlds in terms of price and interest rates, I still say the best time to sell or buy is when life circumstances dictate, right? Or when you're just flat out ready to buy. I think that's when it's time to buy or sell. And interest rate stories and all those things, they make a difference, but not in terms of timing.
All right, excellent stuff, and we'll stay on this story for sure as it develops. Rick, thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, thanks.
That's Rick Sadle, real estate expert with Keller Williams Realty and SadleRealEstate.com.